Welcome to NC State. My name is Connor Brady, and I work in residence life and university housing.
I am Jameco Mckenzie, and I work in residence life within university housing.
Hey, my name is Chad. Today we're going to take a look inside a couple of our residence halls on campus.
Behind me is Tucker Hall, one of our 20 residence halls. We also have 4 apartment communities on campus, which are primarily for upperclassmen and graduate students.
At NC State, we have 3 types of residence halls: traditional hall style, suite style, and hotel style. Traditional halls have multiple rooms along a single corridor with community bathrooms shared by 20 to 40 residents.
Suite-style buildings, each suite accommodates 8 to 14 people, usually in double rooms, and each includes a bathroom shared by residents of the suite.
Hotel-style halls have exterior corridors with 2 students in each room who share private baths. Let's take a look.
While each community has unique features, every residence hall room features loftable twin extra-long beds, a micro-fridge, which is a combination mini-fridge and microwave, movable desks and dresser units, desk chairs, and all buildings are equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi internet access to the NC State network. And every building has air conditioning. Some rooms, like those in this building, may have built-in closets, while others have movable wardrobes. And some rooms in hall-style buildings also have an in-room sink.
In hall-style buildings, community bathrooms have multiple showers, stalls, and sinks.
And always remember to wash your hands.
Hey, welcome to Burgaw Hall, one of our suite-style residence halls. You'll find the amenities similar regardless of the type of building. The beds are twin extra long and again feature desks, dressers, and either a closet or a wardrobe. Suite mates share a bathroom, typically with 2 toilets, 2 sinks, and a shower.
You might be wondering about laundry on campus. Every community has at least one laundry room shared by residents. There are plenty of high-efficiency washers and dryers. Laundry fees are included in the residential charges, so you're welcome to do as many loads per week as you need without having to worry about collecting quarters or loading money onto a card. You just need to provide your own high-efficiency detergent.
Sometimes you might need to get out of your room or suite to hang out with friends or even do some late-night studying for an upcoming exam. Every community has shared lounges, community TV rooms, and study spaces.
Resident advisors and village mentors also use the common spaces in our communities for educational and social programs, which are open to all of the community's residents.
If you're curious about our other buildings, you can find virtual tours and 3D diagrams of each of our residential communities on our website, housing.ncsu.edu. Go Pack!